Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop. Today I was up at work and I thought I might clean out my bag because it was full of sawdust. So I got my Tech OTLC from Veto Pro Pack, WiHa branded, and I laid out all the tools just to see what needs a little cleanup and what don't. Thought I'd go over what we got here. Got my stuff laid out and figured we'd take a look. I'm also looking for a wrench that I'm missing, so that's part of the reason we're out here doing this. But right now, there's the layout. I think that's the thumbnail right there. Look at that. Anyway, starting in no particular order. I got a belt tensioning tool. You put that on your V-belts and you tighten them up until the little red-green indicator shows up. Green says you're good, red, you're not good anymore. You're too loose, too slack. I got my Wilton unbreakable sledge, 2.5 pounds. Love that thing, had that forever. Got an assortment of chisels. Never know when you're gonna need to pound something loose or whatnot. Got a couple of flats, a point, and then a little skinnier punch that I got for my setup in there. It used to be in my alignment tool, but it busted off. I don't know if you can see that. It took a dive on us. I got the Nightcore NWL20. Man, I've used the heck out of this thing. Magnetic base. Stick it on there, lights up stuff. You're in electrical cabinets or whatever underneath a saw where there ain't no lights inside. That thing comes in super handy. Little 16-foot Milwaukee tape. Nothing new there. I got a little roll-up kit of punches and chisels, smaller size, not anything near the big monsters over there. I got my combination wrenches in ratcheting standard and metric. So that's those. I'd open them up, but it's a mess. Got a couple of extended hex bits from Nico. Put them in the 1/4-inch drive. Worked like a dream. A little Stabila pocket level for not when you want super accuracy. You just want to see if something's leveled up to the next one. And there we go. A little marking pencil, a little Pika Dry pencil. Those are awesome. Love these things. I got a pack of replacement leads too there somewhere. Right there. There they are. Just runs through those and keep them in there. This is a little plumbing easy out kit for pipe and what have you. Little square 4-notch. Drive it in a broken fitting and, you know, back it out with your wrench. You're good to go. Got a couple of lockout, tag out locks. Safety, always safety. I got a Proto 10-inch crescent. I'm looking for an 8-inch I had somewhere. I must have left it at a machine or something. Not watching what I was doing. Got a little Klein Tools super flip knife, I think they call it, flipper. That's my backup. 2 is 1, 1 is none, right? And we got the tape loop. I got some Teflon tape and some electrical tape just for quick repairs, nothing permanent. Over here, got the Fluke multimeter test kit, electrical test kit, T6 1000 Pro. Seen that in a previous video. We won't open it up. I got a pair of these Fiskar shop shears. These things are beast. They cut everything. A WiHa Allen wrench set in metric and standard. Got a little air chuck that we rolled up. Just never know when you're gonna need that. Air up something. We got those fire extinguishers for fire watch when you're welding. Fill them up with water and pressurize them. You can never find the air hose in the chuck when you need it, so carry one with me. Got the Klein standards, the 11-in-1 impact and the 7-in-1 flip socket set, nut driver. My new fave, this thing is getting some mileage lately. The Vessel ratcheting screwdriver with you know, the bit holder at the end. This model came with the 10 extra bits, and these things were nice. So yeah, I've used the heck out of that lately. Got a little precision screwdriver for control box work. Got a little stubby. Don't hardly use it, but you never know. Always handy to have one ready. Got this WiHa little mini ratchet set. Used it a little bit, not as much as I thought I would, but you know, another one that as soon as I take it out of my bag, I'm going to need it again. And over here to the WiHa selection in no particular order. Got a pair of long needle nose pliers, clippers. This came in my original set. I got those. I got the high leverage. Those aren't high leverage, I think. Those are regular dikes. Got those, and then no, I got the high leverage lineman pliers in a kit, I think. Pretty sure that was it. And that's like my oldest set right there. Use the heck out of them. Everyday use. Thanks. Got the Knipex alligator pliers. I got videos of all this stuff. I'll put a playlist in so you can see them all. Love those. Use those every day. Pliers wrench is a newcomer to the batch, and use that a lot too. That's what I say. Use this mostly, but I guess I haven't used my adjustable wrench as much, and I've either lost it or I don't know. But I use this more, so. But it's just sad to lose tools. Ear clamp pliers for making up air hose. Not end nippers, but they're flat and dull, so you can squeeze down the little ear clamps on them. Man, what can you say about these? These are awesome. Forged wire strippers from Knipex. This has the comfort grip handle. I think I should have been going with that the whole time. I've been using these kind of dipped textured handles. Man, that comfort grip, a lot of grip on there, feels good. So yeah, I've been using those a lot. Haven't had these very long, but I've got a little bit of use out of them. I've wired up a couple of things, redone some motors. Handy. And then last but not least, the Knipex twin grips. If you've seen my videos, I'll put a link up there for getting broken bolts out with this. Awesome little setup right there. Even if you don't use it as a regular plier ever again, it's worth its money. And a cabinet key. There you go. That's the whole setup right there. I got a couple little odds and ends stuff I didn't show because, you know, they're just parts and wire nuts and stuff like that. Spare stuff. Don't really need all that. But that's the layout. That's the bag. I'm going to put it all back in there. I won't bore you with all that. You've seen a million filling up your bag videos. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. I'll leave some links in the description. If you like what you see, hey, subscribe. I'll keep doing this stuff more often. All right, fellas, ladies, thanks for watching.